Hi friends, welcome. We will continue learning AI tools and one of our favorite notebook LM. So that we will use today and we will see how we can edit the slide decks. Earlier we have seen how we have prepare a slide deck based on the inputs we give or taking the sources from the internet. We have seen that. So now these slide decks, now there is a feature to edit the each slide. So it is not that the total slide we are changing. So we can go to a particular slide and ask the changes. Next slide also we can change it, and finally we can generate the entire modified our slide deck. That we will learn now. Search for Notebook LM in Google and you will get the first link. Mainly it is Notebook LM. Then just go there and try Notebook LM. So here it is. It will load all my previous notebooks, whatever is that. So I have just opened one. Here what I did is earlier, not this one, this one. So here I have prepared two slide decks, before and after. I have already prepared it. So we'll see what is that beforehand. So this you can download it also. Here it is, the download option is there, download PDF. Then the next one, after the modification also I have downloaded it. To create the slide deck, I can use this button at the right. So here is the customization. I can click that, then select a language option. Many regional languages are supported. I can pick up my own language, then sort or default what way I want. I can give the customization here, use a professional output or a white background or a blue background, whatever customization I want. This will be applied to the entire all the slides, and click the generate button to generate it. Let me open the unedited one. So here it is. Now what I will do here, my previous slides all are loaded. Now I will click this revise button at the top. So it will expand me, give me expanded view now. Now what I can do is I can type the each one. So this slide I selected. Now first slide I selected. Then I type that highlight the engine line, whatever I want I can select it. Now next one, second one I have gone. Now I selected the second slide. This blue indicates this is already revised. Now here it is, use rounded corners for boxes. Now I come to the third one. I can say specifically don't use the word diamond and use less text. Like that I can go on editing all the slides whatever way we want and click the generate new deck. We'll compare the outputs before the edit and after the edit. So and during the comparison we'll also check the prompts, so we can see what the prompt has affected our output. Here is the comparison of our first slide. So highlight the engine, add an arrow at right pointing to the line model verified. So you can compare the outputs here. In the second slide, we have just asked a simple thing, use rounded corner boxes. That's all. See the output, how it changes the output. In the third slide, we ask reduce the text here. Don't use the word diamond in the boxes, because the boxes you can see it has used the diamond because it's a diamond. So we don't want that to be explained there. So it has removed it after the edit. In the fourth one, it has asked that change the background color to light blue and matching to this update the box color having the text. Now we have tried to change the background color. So what you ask is make left side box light yellow background. Now let us see how we can make the text change. So we have asked make the title longer. At the last slide we just asked add a thank you message towards the bottom of the page. We have specified the location. So just a simple thank you message, and that has reflected in our changes. That's all friends. Hope you have a good learning experience and you can experiment with different edit features of Notebook LM, and let us know what you are planning to update it or edit it our Notebook LM. And if you have any ideas, suggestions, questions, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorials, and we are frequently adding such tutorials also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.